Good morning. Today we prepare cod the Messina style. Messina cod is like a soup they prepared once. It's an unusual soup. Messina people called it macchiato. We put in the pot celery, carrots and onions. Let's add some broth, where we will immerse the fish. In the middle of the cooking, let's add some pears. We add some pears and some pine nuts. When everything is ready, we will pass the fish in a soup tureen with some pears and the vegetables. Let's add some fennels over it and the dish is ready. The dish is ready.